Hello guys, so I'm going to share with you a brief or a summary of my birthday celebration. So I decided to go for a photo shoot. Yes, so I usually have birthday parties almost every year. Yes, but this time I said no, I'm not going to have a birthday party. But this is a must. I must go for photo shoot. Yes. So I'm just having my makeup done by my makeup artist so that I can go for my photo shoot. As for my photo shoots, it's a must for me. Yeah, so just trying to look beautiful here and there. You see, yeah, so if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed to my account, I beg subscribe to all my YouTube accounts, Max Clothing, Max Kitchen. Yes, do you get it? And so I quickly changed into my attire. Yes, just then finish up with the makeup touches here and there. Okay, so I'm going to put on my wig cap and then be ready for my photo shoot. Yes, so this is it, my wig cap, dressing, and I'm ready for the photo shoot. Yes, and so this is it, ready for the photo shoot. And these are some of the photos that I took. Yes, and I have a video on this dress, the tutorial I'm going to share with you. And if you're watching this video on a different channel, if it's not Max Clothing, please visit YouTube Max Clothing. You'll get the video of this dress. I'm going to share the tutorial so that you can learn and then sew for yourself. Very simple and nice. And so these are a few pictures I took and I love it. And so on the birthday, yes, because I'm not going to have a birthday party, I said, let me give myself a treat. And so I've seasoned my tilapia. I'm going to share the recipe, the full recipe, on my YouTube account, Max Kitchen, so you can check it out. And so after seasoning, I'm going to grill it, and I'm grinding my pepper. Yes, I'm going to enjoy this with gari. Yes, hot one. And so this one is local birthday treat. Do you get it? So I'm preparing my gari, and my gari is ready, Charlie. And my tilapia too is ready, Charlie. Well grilled. I added my green chili sauce and my hot pepper that I grinded to it. Yes, I can get a video of the green chili sauce on my kitchen channel, Max Kitchen. And I'm adding my awesome asana drink. This is homemade asana drink, which I will share the recipe also soon on my YouTube account, Max Kitchen. So this is me on my birthday, 25th August, enjoying my gari and tilapia. Oh my goodness, I must confess, this year my birthday, I enjoyed the celebration because everything was me. This time I didn't have to go through the stress of cooking for a lot of people, getting people to come and decorate and all that. And so this is the second day after the first day's celebration, the second day, which is 26th. I said, Charlie, let me give myself another treat. And so this time it's jollof rice. So this is my jollof cooking. Yes. And then I've added some onions and my green beans to it. My jollof is almost ready. It's ready. And so I'm going to get my salad ready. Yes. And so, like I was saying, this year the stress was less because I wasn't cooking for a lot of people myself. And so I really enjoyed. Previous years, I will stress myself, cook, and I won't even be able to eat anything. After the stress, I won't even have the urge to eat. But this time, I took my time to enjoy myself. So I really ate and then had a lot of fun, Charlie. And so I'm serving myself my jollof rice. I grilled the tilapia. You know, I'm seasoned 2 tilapias, kept one in the freezer for the next day, and I grilled that one. And this is it, yes. And I'm enjoying my jollof rice with a cup of yogurt. Oh, Charlie, this year's birthday, I have really enjoyed every bit of it. And guys, I say thank you. Thank you to all of you. Your wishes, your prayers, and the gifts. Oh my goodness. You made the birthday a special one for me. And some also took the time, Kweku, to wish me happy birthday on radio station.
And happy birthday to another friend, Mami Ajwa Aka. Mami Ajwa Aka, former student of University of Education, Winneba. Today is your birthday, you live in Winneba. Mami Ajwa Aka. Yankopo Unsha, why? Happy birthday.
Oh, thanks, Kweku, and my elder brother, Olivet, Debbie, and you guys, all of you out there, taking the time to celebrate me on Facebook. I appreciate it. Charlie, the comments, I couldn't finish reading all of them. I need to find time and sit back, relax, read each comment, and then respond to them. Hey, I really appreciate it. I must confess, this year, Charlie, it has been a relaxing birthday for me. I remember last year, after the birthday party, it took me 3 days to get back to my usual self. And on WhatsApp, my friends, their status, they were all over. Oh, you guys are amazing. I mean, for someone to take time to celebrate you, you have to appreciate it. And YouTube, my subscribers, you guys too, you did well. Thank you so much to all of you. And my kiss sister framed one of my pictures. Franca, I appreciate it. Yes, Rich Sissy. And someone on Facebook did some birthday tune for me. Enjoy it with me. Charlie, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for taking the time to put this together. I'm really grateful. God bless you, Charlie. And so if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed to any of my YouTube accounts, Max Kitchen, subscribe, Max Clothing, I'm going to leave the links there for you to subscribe. I have another channel for individuals with disabilities. That's Max Special Needs Consultancy. Subscribe for me, you will learn a lot. And I have another one for Bible discussion, and that is Ajwa. I'll leave all the links there. And I want to say thank you. God bless you for blessing me, the gift, the surprise momos. I really appreciate all of them. Have a blessed day. Enjoy your life. Bye-bye.